Everyone moving to Riverside often asks, where should I look? And the honest answer is it depends on who you are and what you're looking for. So today I'm going to talk about the top 5 neighborhoods in Riverside you should consider if you're looking at making a move. I'm Keon Gonzalez and I'm here with Empire Real Estate. I help families find homes here in Riverside County. And if you are looking to figure out what's the best area for you, look for my link to book a call in the description below. Now let's get into it. In no particular order, we're going to start with Magnolia Center. If you've heard of the Riverside Plaza and you've been there, you've been to Magnolia Center. Lots of shopping, freeway close, lots of schools. And if you've heard of the Brockton Arcade, that is also in this area as well. If you're looking for a starter point of somewhere between $500,000 and $650,000, you're going to be looking in this area. There's lots of options to choose from. Next, we're going to talk about Victoria. The homes are well established. You've got well established landscaping. This area ranges somewhere between 600 and 900 plus. But this area is close to Mission Inn, you're close to downtown, is lots of beautiful walking areas. This is one of the most iconic neighborhoods in Riverside. Next, we'll talk about the Wood Streets. This is Riverside's most charming historic neighborhood. Lots of trees, bungalow-style homes, brick-lined streets. It's definitely very community-focused. They decorate their homes for Halloween and Christmas. The homes here are priced high 500s to 800,000 or more, depending on the size of the home and the home's condition. The homes in this area have character that you simply cannot replicate. We're talking homes built in the 1920s that have all those great details, the wood trim, built-ins. This is the area you're going to find those homes. Next, we have Woodcrest. This is a semi-rural area of Riverside. You've got large properties that are horse properties and they're a little further out from everything, but if you're looking for lots of land, Woodcrest is where you need to go. This area has everything from $700,000 homes to multi-million-dollar homes with lots of acreage and room to spread out. If you want a place to live that you don't feel like you're right on top of your neighbors, Woodcrest is for you. And last, Alessandro Heights. This is Riverside's premier neighborhood. We're talking about custom homes, beautiful views. This is luxury living. This area is quiet, prestigious, and private. If you don't just want a home, but you want an estate, then you are looking at Alessandro Heights. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.